is Lakshana. I am from Swarnabhumi Resources Newsreader. Today I want to speak about Lakshana Smart Kindergarten School. Name of the founder, Lakshana Kindergarten School. Before 1814, children under the age of 7 did not attend school yet. Pioneers in our field, Friedrich Froebel, founder of the first kindergarten. From early childhood to the status, it was believed that children under the age of 7 did not have the ability to focus or develop cognitive and emotional skills. Direction of kindergarten. For children up to the age of 3 or 4, there are preschool playgroups. There are no fixed rules for when a child needs to go to a kindergarten, but the majority will when the child turns 5 years old. The child will usually attend kindergarten for 2 years before proceeding to primary school at age 7. Staff to kindergarten. We are very proud of outstanding team of director, teachers, assistants and office staff here at the preschool, plays and kindergarten. Director Carol Ratnetz holds a Masters of Science in Early Childhood and a Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. Mr. Ratnetz was appointed director in 2005. Each classroom teacher is certified in early childhood education and many teachers hold a Masters of Education. Our teachers are experienced early childhood educators and have over 200 years of combined classroom experience. The majority of your teaching staff have come to us after having had their own children go through our program. Function of kindergarten. Teaching in kindergarten includes planning, implementing and assessing lessons. You will teach children with pertinence and creativity. Kindergarten teacher duty include designing and teaching plan and using activities and instructional method to motivate children. Of teacher. The responsibilities and duty section is the most important part of the job description. Here you should outline the function this position will perform on a regular basis, how the job functions within the organizations and who the job responsibility to. Example of kindergarten teacher responsibility. Create lessons plans for each class based on experience and the student's specific need. Communicate with other team members as well as with parents about students' progress and behavior. Join the rotation of teacher to assist with start of day and end of the day students care predication. Organize students into small group for social education. Encourage creativity in students by organizing art and craft projects on a daily basis. Create a welcoming and inspiring atmosphere in the classroom. Oversee lunch and recess twice per week. Listen carefully to parents' requests and concerns and address them as quickly as possible. Principal job description. Your job description is the first touch point between your company and your new hire. With millions of people searching for job on Indeed each month, a great job description can help you attract the most qualified candidates to your open position. To get your start, here are some tips for creating an effective job description. Function of principal. A principal forms the head of the administrative team within a school and is responsible for overseeing the daily operations and the institution. They coordinate staff schedules, oversee the development of curriculum and enforce school policies relating to them like discipline or safety. The principal also coordinates staff training days and works directly with students who need help meeting or seeing goals. Kindergarten admin job description. First, confer with parents and staff to discuss educational activities and policies and students' behavioral or learning problems. Second, prepare and maintain attendance, activity, planning, accounting or personal reports and records for officials and agencies or direct preparation and maintenance activities. Third, set educational standards and goals and help establish policies, procedures and programs to carry them out. Fourth, monitor student progress and provide students and teachers with assistance in resolving any problems. Fifth, determine allocations of funds for staff, supplies, materials and equipment and authorities purchase. Now, I want to tell about kindergarten advantage and disadvantage. First, we see advantages. A 2014 study published by the American Medical Association shows a positive associations between full-day preschool invitations and school readiness, attendance, and parent involvement. Herman 1984 describes in detail the advantages of full-day kindergarten. He and others believe full-day programs provided a relaxed, unhurried school day with more time for a variety of experiences, greater opportunity for screening and assessment to detect and deal with potential learning problems, and more occasions for good quality interaction between adults and students. Now we want to see disadvantages. Critics of full-day kindergarten point out that such a program are expensive because they require additional teaching staff and aides to maintain an acceptable child-adult ratio. These costs may or may not be offset by transportation saving and, in some cases, additional state aid. Other requirements of full-day kindergarten, including more classroom spaces, may be difficult to specify in discretion where kindergarten or primary grade enrollment is instruction and or where school building have sold. In addition to seating, added expense and space requirement as a problem, those in disagreement claim that full-day programs may become too academic, concentrating on basic skills before children are ready for them. Kindergarten centers successfully. My favorite part of our day in kindergarten is our reading and math centers. Centers are the perfect opportunity for our students to grow socially and academically while learning how to work independently and as a team. I especially look forward to my small group time, as this is where I am able to really work with my students and give them the attention they need. If had lots of questions on Instagram about how do centers in kindergarten. So today I am going to explain how I incorporated centers in my daily schedule. When creating my daily schedule, I schedule my reading centers time sort first. I find a part of my day that I have an entire hour uninterrupted preferable in the morning, and that's where my reading centers go. An hour gives you in either for 15-minute rotation or 3 20-minute rotation centers for different classrooms. I have two options for centers rotation depending on how big your class is or what your class is like behavior wise will help you decide which options is better. My center station are teacher table, technology, activity, pocket chat, art, writing and independent work. If linked some of the resources that I like to use. Teacher table, weekly reads, interactive notebooks, side word practice. Technology, iPad, Chromebook or smartboard. Activity, puzzle, bingo, spelling cards, matching game, sensory beam. Pocket chat, picture short, sentence builders. Art, letter crafts, color by sideboards, sort by color. Writing, handwriting, pictures, sideboard sentence. Independent work, worksheet, cut and paste. Kindergarten have to do with weight loss. You know the saying, everything you need to know you learn in kindergarten. Since we were young, we been brought up to follow rules that create habits. The problem with this, follow the rules, thinking is that we become accustomed to solving many of life issues this way. Once we learn the rules, we don't revisit them and think about whether they are still serving as well. Don't get me wrong. These hardwired rules serve an important purpose. Of course, if you're on fire, you should definitely stop, drop and roll. Stop taking in more information. To what we are being bombarded with more information does not create more results. You already have the answers to what you need to know inside you. Ask yourself this question. What do you want to accomplish? Whatever answer you come up with, next ask yourself why. Use your answer to turn your fat loss goal from generic into a meaningful one. We call this your personal high weight goal. Drop and give me 10 minutes, that is, drop 10 minutes of TV time or Facebook time and use that time to plan. Ask yourself, how can I replace my time sucks like Facebook, Instagram or TV that don't really benefit me with activities that will support my high weight goal. Spend that 10 minutes packing your meals for the next day or fitting in a yoga or mindful breathing. How to improve kindergarten? First, kindergarten stories. To them, children love stories. Introduce them to music is paramount to a child development. Encourage responsibility. Children should be encouraged to do things responsibly. Teach them everything. Teach your children from scratch. Choose and store supplies. You need some supplies to keep your kid engaged. Involve parents. It's important to involve parents as much as possible. Celebrate childhood. Talk to them. Help the parents. Teach them. Kindergarten overview. During the child's year in kindergarten, she will be learning many things in areas of academic, physical development, sociational, and emotional development. Academic areas will include math, pre-reading, science, and social studies. Math skills to be covered included grouping, patterning, numbers, shapes, money, time, and measurement. Pre-reading activities involve learning the letter names and their sounds, writing on a daily basis, and having exposure to a wide range of literations. Thank you for watching my video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my video.